Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise with me the homeopathic remedy Ethusa cynapium. Its common name is fool's parsley. This is part 1, general overview series, and the text is from Allen's keynote, and it is best recommended to BHMS students. The remedy profile. This remedy is best suited to children who cannot bear milk. The kingdom is, it belongs to plant kingdom. The natural order is Umbelliferaceae. Habitat, the common weed, about a foot high. It is abundant throughout the Europe. Preparation, the mother tincture is prepared from the whole plant when in flower. The remedy was proved by Nenning, one of the Hahnemann's fellow provers, in 1828. Affinity. The organ tissue affinity of this remedy is central nervous system, PNS, GIT, occiput, neck, glands and liver. The lateral affinity is ambilateral. The thermal affinity is hot. The constitutional component, the somatic predilectation is children during dentition. There is a great weakness and child cannot stand, unable to hold up the head. Psychic preponderance, the temperament is here the patient or the child is confused, having incapacity to think. The mental attributes, in the area of intelligence, child is having subnormal intellect. It has been told as idiocy in children by Allen. Emotionally, there is an expression of great anxiety and pain, withdrawn condition and well-marked linea lazalis. The causation, the diathesis is mental retardation and milk intolerance for affections from children's during dentition period and hot summer weather. Characteristics include the complaints with prostration and sleepiness is marked, expression of great anxiety and suffering, complete absence of thirst, there is intolerance of milk, vomits soon after, sleep soon after vomiting, diarrhea and spasms. Diarrhea, especially summer and dentition diarrhea, digestion with regurgitation, indigestion especially with regurgitation, herpetic eruptions on the nose, there are epileptic spasms, neck is weak, unable to support, cramps and convulsions. Food, there is a desire for cheese, farinaceous food and salt, aversion to fat, fruit and milk. This is from keynote at radar keynote. The relationship, this remedy is similar to antimonium crudum, arsenicum, calcarea and senicula. General modalities include aggravation is after eating, drinking, after vomiting, after stool and after spasm. The amelioration is in open air and in company. Miasmatic orientation. The mental retardation points to syphilitic preponderance. Milk intolerance points to enzymatic deficiency and point to psychotic state. Sora is present in the background. Therefore, our impression is that Ethusa cynapium is a mixed miasmatic remedy having preponderance, psychosyphilitic, miasm. The posology. The doses 3rd and 30th potency is commonly used. 6th potency is very effective. Repetition, it should be repeated after each stool, vomit or convulsions. The duration of action, it is not known. The clinical conditions where this drug is useful is milk intolerance, especially in kids, idiocy in children, herpetic eruptions on nose, vomiting of milk, epileptic spasm. Thank you very much for patient listening.